Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel. As I promised in my previous videos, today we are going to unbox the Galaxy Watch from 2018, 46mm Bluetooth plus LTE version. Our one is silver with black bezel, and this watch is available in other sizes 42mm and 3 colors. Actually, with new Galaxy Watch, Samsung has combined design and durability from Gear S3 and Gear Sport smartwatches, and providing us long battery life, LTE standalone connectivity, auto witness and wellness tracking, swim-ready, water-resistant, 5 ATM as they are promised that. Moving forward, we can say that in 2017, to appeal a broader audience, Samsung broke its dependence on Android by making its Gear and Health apps available for iOS, which will bring a lot of other users that want to use the iPhone but like the Galaxy Watches. The main body watch is machined from 316L corrosion-resistant stainless steel and polished in high sheen. Let's open the box and see what's inside, guys. We are here. We can see the silver with the black bezel, rotating bezel, which is the Samsung's visit card for Samsung. The recent watches, they are using this rotating bezel, and people more and more like this. And it has this strap, rubber strap, very soft. Believe me, you will like it, and had a heart rate monitor at the back. The Super AMOLED Touch enabled display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass DX Plus, which according to Gorilla Glass provides superior scratch resistant, which will be seen during the using. Let's move on and see what's the inside of the box. Actually, the right side covers the paperwork, which is usual instruction guide, and the USB Type-C cable for the charging wireless dock. Actually, Samsung is providing USB Type-C cables instead of micro USBs, which is the good point. And it's already 2019, so it should be like that. And also, the watch is running Tizen 4.0 UI. In the left side, we have a wireless charging dock with the power adapter. Actually, this is the wireless charging dock, and here is the power adapter by Samsung. The main version is, this is the US version, so that's why it has the US type plug. So if you got the international one, you will have the Euro plug. Actually, all variants of Galaxy Watches uses Samsung new Exynos 9110 dual-core SoC running at 1.15 GHz. Let's connect it with the phone to activate the watch and see what is offering us. Meanwhile, please stay tuned and see what's the offering both models in technical specification side. The phone is doing the final part, and the watch still shows the nice Galaxy animation. I really like this animation that Samsung did for these watches. It's really take the deep space effect, and you feel how good is the quality of screen. So phone is finishing. Yes, final part. And the digital crown is very good. When you turn it, it's like you feel small vibration, which means that it's working and answering to your turns. And this is turning for both sides. You can turn right and left. In the meantime, we reached the agree to all. Next, skip. So we are here. You are all set. And this is the user watch. Stay connected. This is it. So tips, watch faces that we can use. It shows the turn again. Press this key, and there is the back key. This is for applications, and almost there. Cover your palm. That's it. We're all done. Watch is ready to use. Enjoy your watch. Okay. Let's see what we got inside. Turning the digital crown is giving us the weather option. Then it suggested apps will appear here. Here is the calories, step counter, heart rate monitor. Moving forward, the contacts. As you see, this watch you can use this to dial your contacts, as it's a LTE version. This is the calendars, no events, stress level, keep track your stress, and the workout shortcut. If you hit this one, it will give you which type of workouts you want, and you can do all type of possible workouts, even those ones that you even cannot imagine that they exist. This is the back button, and then moving forward, this is for the music, if in case you will use the Spotify here, and you can download your music to watch and listen your music directly to your watch connected to earbuds. And this is the news briefing, tap to load articles. This is the Alti barometer, shows the evaluation and play track on phone list. And here you can add any other widget from the available ones. So different widgets, you can add them. Actually, the watch performs very well. We read at the end, and we cannot move, but we can move back. And at this part is no notifications. If there will be the notifications, they will be available if you turn them left. This is back button, and here is the apps button. Using the digital crown, you can select any app, like the settings, hit this one and get back. Again, you can come here, and after you select one, you just either go back, either use other ones. If you select this one, you can touch it, and settings, you will find sound, vibration, display brightness. For the display brightness, it's now the 7, but we have till 10. As you can see, it's very, very bright. It's even more, and I suggest to keep it down like 6 or 5, because you can save energy and you don't need it that much brighter. After low brightness on, we can either turn off or leave it as it is. Brightness will be adjusted automatically in the low light situation. This is good option. Let's keep it on. Okay, Going back, what else we have? On the advanced, double press to home key wake up gestures, do not disturb. This is something that the double press home key is for Bixby. Wake up gestures, bezel wake up on, and water lock mode. Touch sensitivity, do not disturb, etc. Connections, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, airplane mode. This is again the apps order permissions. Here you can put the custom app order or let different apps use different type of the permissions like location, barometer, Bixby, as it's in the phone. Actually, the security lock account is the Samsung account, and general is input, date, time, reset, phone, and the watt battery. And under battery we can see default, learning your usage patterns, power saving, learning your usage patterns as well. You can put on that and then watch during the 2-3 days. We learn your habits, how to use the watch, and trying to assign the battery accordingly that you use it, and try to save battery for you. Watch always on, it can be off, it can be on. Screen timeout 15 seconds. Location is off, which is the GPS using, which is also using a lot of energy. And wake up gestures, long vibration is off. So moving forward, the about watch phone number, as we don't have any SIM provided, that's why it says unknown. Model number, serial number, storage, it's 4 GB, as you can see, 2.5 GB available. Device software, let's see what's under software. Tizen version 4.0.0 software, Knox version, security, everything as Samsung does on phones. So going back, connect to new phone, as you can disable this from this one, and accessibility apps. Moving back, this is the Samsung store, Samsung Pay, this one messages, calls, and this one is PPT controller. So actually this is still showing something. We can try some other watch faces. Classic one, let's see this one. This is not bad, and it's with Roman numbers. Let's move on. This is Tomcat, that was by default. Analog utility, look nice for me. It's with the step counter showing the day and the date, also the weather and the time of the day, what part of morning or evening. So moving forward, rings is like something for the sport mode. I think it's more will be useful more on active, Galaxy Watch Active, or the Galaxy Gear Sport from the last year. And what else we have here? Dashboard, and this one is nice as well, as it's now night here in Armenia, so this is showing that already night and no sun there. You can see the moon, and it depending on the time of the day, you can see here accordingly the animation. Okay, let's see. And my photo is, you can put custom photos here, and this one is dashboard. It shows the battery, date, time, steps, weather. Actually, this is it, guys. This is what I wanted to share with you. On the back side, as you can see, this is the 4 points that it can. This is for the heart rate monitor. It says all full day heart rate monitor, and can show you. So this is the Galaxy Watch 46mm with LTE. Hope you like the video, guys. Stay well, stay cool, hit the subscribe and like button, help me to reach the 1000 videos. I will do the upcoming new Galaxy Watch Active and Vivo V15 Pro unboxing and review after the usage. Stay well, stay cool. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for all subscribers that already helped me to reach the 370 subscribers at this point. I really appreciate, guys. Thank you. Stay well, stay cool. Bye.